You weren't answering your phone! Why are you a bat? I thought you were a predator!
Look, I know it's late, but you gotta hear this. I saw my dad leave 20 minutes ago. Dispatch called. They're bringing in every officer from the Beacon Department and even state police.
For what?
2 joggers found a body in the woods.
A dead body?
No, a body of water. Yes, dumbass, a dead body.
You mean like murdered?
Nobody knows yet. Just that it was a girl, probably in her 20s.
Well, hold on. If they found the body, then what are they looking for?
That's the best part. They only found half. We're going.
We're seriously doing this? You're the one always bitching that nothing ever happens in this town. I was trying to get a good night's sleep before practice tomorrow.
Right, because sitting on the bench is such a grueling effort.
No, because I'm playing this year. In fact, I'm making first line.
Hey, that's the spirit. Everyone should have a dream, even a pathetically unrealistic one.
Just out of curiosity, which half of the body are we looking for?
Huh. I didn't even think about that.
And, what if whoever killed the body is still out here?
Also something I didn't think about.
It's comforting to know you've planned this out with your usual attention to detail.
I know.
Maybe the severe asthmatic should be the one holding the flashlight, huh? Come on! Styles! Wait up! Styles! Styles! Stay right there!
Hang on, hang on! This little delinquent belongs to me.
Dad, how are you doing?
So, do you, listen to all of my phone calls?
No. I'm not the boring ones.
And where's your usual partner in crime?
Who's Scott? Scott's home. He said he wanted to get a good night's sleep for first day back at school tomorrow. It's just me in the woods, alone.
Scott, you out there? Scott? Well, young man, I'm gonna walk you back to your car, and then you and I are gonna have a conversation about something called invasion of privacy.